Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I just wanted to record this really short video to show you guys one of my favorite candles, which is from Better Homes and Gardens, and it's the pineapple and ginger. So guys, I got this one, and I also picked up this white peach and daisy when there was no more of the pineapple and ginger. So those are like the candle notes or the scent notes that are inside of this candle, but I was able to find another one. These are about $13 or so from Better Homes and Gardens. So this one has pineapple, passion fruit, mango, ginger, and a few other things inside of it. So it like smells so good. So it's not like overly fruity, but it's a clean, nice smell. Now the white peach candle, that one reminds me of booze, so I'm not like a big fan of it. But if I don't have the pineapple and ginger, then I'll get that one. But I just wanted to share it with you guys. I got it from Walmart, and it smells really good. So bye y'all.